In this video, I'm going to talk about price action trading strategies, okay? There are many price action trading strategies you can use. One of them consists of supply and demand, as you already know, because I am a supply and demand trader. But as a supply and demand trader, I also need to focus and concentrate on price action, because supply and demand, like this is an imbalance, okay, on a demand level, and a supply or demand level, an imbalance, is made of price action, and price action makes supply and demand. So both are like linked together. So in this video, I'm going to explain a little bit extend a little bit on price action and what you should expect when certain candlestick patterns happen, because these price action strategies will help you understand what's going on in the bigger picture and what type of position you should be looking to take, longs or shorts. So in this scenario, I'm going to analyze this stock. This is a German stock called ILM1 Medios AG, and this is the weekly time frame. Okay, so most traders will never look at the weekly time frame. So if you are a price action trader, probably you are going to take a look at the hourly chart, maybe 15 minutes, or even lower if you are doing like scalping, even 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, that type of time frames. Okay, so when it comes to analyzing what you think is going to happen in the forthcoming days, weeks, or months, if you do not consider the bigger time frames, then you probably will be in trouble. So for example, in this case, if you are analyzing price action and you use any kind of price action strategies to trade stocks or Forex, and you see this type of impulse over here, okay, you can see that there are little three candles over there. The candlestick bodies are very, very small. And then right after that, okay, you see a surge in price, very strong rally made of several large candlestick bodies. The range of these candlestick bodies close almost at 100%, here maybe 80, 85, something like that. Then there's a little bit of a pause there, and then price tanks. Okay, so this is a very simple price action trading strategy that I'm going to explain right now. Okay, very, very simple. And you may say, oh wow, but that's very simple. Oh, I've been doing that for a long time. Okay, no problem. Okay, but I'm not going to explain what multiple time frame analysis is, and that also one single time frame like this one, the weekly or the daily or the 1 hour, is not enough to make a trading decision. No matter if you trade price action strategies, supply and demand strategies for stocks or Forex or cryptos, or any other price action strategies, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so time frame is irrelevant. What I'm talking about here is the strength of the move. Okay, and if you compare these strength, okay, this move with these move over here or there, I mean, they have nothing to do. Okay, so this is the strongest impulse in many, many months. Okay, because remember that we are analyzing price action right now using the weekly time frame for this German stock, Medios AG ILM1. Okay, so months. Okay, so now what happens? We have the strongest impulse in many, many months. Okay, so when this happens, then what you should do is wait for the origin of that move. And as you can see here, we've got this blue rectangle, which is a demand level, an imbalance. Okay, was reached like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, in the middle of January 2024. And it is located or trading at almost, well, 14 euros 55, okay, cents. And look what happens. Price dropped down there. It took like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 weeks, 2 months, more or less. And then right when this proximal line of this rectangle there was reached, look at the strength of the impulse. Okay, it's trying to emulate, okay, what happened in the middle between October and November 2023. Okay, so this is a very, very simple price action trading strategy. Okay, it is. You can use also this trading strategy. Okay, if you are using price action for scalping trading strategies. Okay, using price action. So when price reaches that weekly demand level, then you can say, okay, so now that I am there and I don't want to hold a long position here for a long time, so I just want to scout the market or apply any kind of trading strategies, price actions, supply demand, or EMA crosses, indicators, oscillators, whatever you want. Okay. So then you can go to the smaller time frames. Let me go, I don't know, let's go to the 1 hour chart, okay? Let me use my fingers. Okay, so what happens? So suddenly, as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, this is the proximal line we saw before on the weekly. The weekly is like much, much wider. This is just the beginning of it. So when price reaches that area, it just stops, okay? And then look at the reversal. And after a few days, the stock is like there. It has rallied from 14.5 to almost 16. Okay, so that's a strong rally. But if you are unaware of this, maybe you are waiting. I don't know if you are trading price action strategies or EMA crosses like this. They are crossed down, obviously, the MACD or whatever. When price is around there, the last impulse maybe there, you start looking to go short. And then price drops a little bit, okay, tries to play out, and then suddenly it just surges, breaks out, and breaks this impulse over there, okay?